pip to measure from this extreme low to here, you'll see that price is really in a discount of this expansion. So now, if you go down to the weekly time frame, sorry, the daily time frame, and to see, you can see that price reacted to this last close candle, which is our order block, and since then, price has no strength to pull up, to break it up, or to close above it. Instead, we have been rejecting, respecting this up close candle. So what we anticipate now is to see price come take this low, if possibly take out this low and give us a confirmation that it's going to buy back up because of what the dollar index might likely do. Like I said, if the dollar index should take out this high and give us a confirmation for a short, then expect euro to take out this low or it bounce on the other block here, because we have a long close candle here. We bounce on this other block here and we now have a buy back up if dollar index should start a sell move. But currently we are still on sales on euro and still on buy on dollar index. So until the trend is changed or the trend change before we can start looking for a possible buy setup. But currently we are still on sales on GU and EU. So let's look at the GU price action also. Okay. On GBP USD, like you can also see that with the expansion we had, price just came back to the down close candle we have here, and is that it has been reacting since last week. This week too, we are still reacting there. We have the imbalance that has been filled up, tap in a little bit on the weekly time frame. Same thing, if I measure my feet, take my feet from the low to the high of that expansion, we are on the discount. Don't forget, we sell at premium and buy at discount levels. So let's go down to the daily time frame and see what we have. All right. So on the daily time frame, you can notice that since we had this large push to the downside, price has been respecting this up close candle, which is our order block. You can take a look at it. You can see what we have here. We have a lot of rejection here. That's to say there's no momentum for price to go up. So this bearish order block is making price not to go higher. Why? Because the dollar index too is bullish. So GU cannot be bullish when dollar index is bullish. Once dollar index is bullish, then GU has to be bearish, because the dollar index is the quote currency. So now coming to the 4-hour time frame, you can see what we have here. We just have a bunch of liquidity being taken out and price sold. It came back again. I think this was yesterday that took out this high. Same thing happened. We still sold. And today again, we are back to that same daily order block. We are still reacting. Look at it. So if we have a confirmation here, then we are going to sell it back down to do what? To take out this low. Because that's just liquidity. They are piling up liquidities for price. So if price should sell from here, expect this low to be taken out, then, or anticipate that this low will be taken out and we have a bullish move if dollar reverse. But take note, always make sure that the change of direction of your the order flow change from the daily time frame, because the daily time frame has more higher probability. That's where the institution normally the time frame the institution normally use to move on with. So if you want to take a trade, don't use 5 minutes, 15 minutes, or even 1 hour is too small. try to do your analysis on the higher time frame, pick your levels, and make sure you stick to those levels on the higher time frame. Then you can now go down to your lower time frame and refine it for entry. So like this out, the daily order block is where price is reacting. You can see they are only taking out liquidity there and price reverse. Take out liquidity, price reverse. So with time, I'm going to show you the confirmation entry method that you can use each time price comes back to this your POI on daily. Then you can use it to sell. So now let's also look at the NZD-USD. Let's look at NZD-USD together. I think this will be all right. So let's start from the weekly time frame. All right, you can also see that NZD-USD has been in a lot of buys here, and we sold down to this level after taking out this high. Had to sell a lot down back to the discount. So if I still measure my low to the high, you can see that we are also want to see price do is you need a confirmation, and you can see if let me zoom in. Yeah, we ran at this low before we had the expansion. So I can't see any PD array here that will support price to the upside. So let me drop down to the daily. All right. Okay. See, I have this bullish order block here. See, I have this bullish order block here, and it has a discount level. So I think, and you can also take note, we have been selling all this while we have been selling. NZD-USD has been selling. That you look at the price action that is going on, all the up close candles are being respected right from here. You pull back, respected the up close candle, we sold. You broke structure, pull back again, respected the up close candle, we sold again, pull back, respect the up close candle. We are just respecting the up close candle. That's the bearish order block. So currently, if we should start violating it, expect a bullish move. So currently, this is the bearish order block that will be waiting for confirmation. Price should pull back there again. That's a daily. Sometimes if you have it on a daily, you can refine it maybe to the 4 hours. Just use this. Then this high will serve as your liquidity for that POI now. So this high will serve as your liquidity. So if price should pull back and take it out, then get a confirmation and you sell back down. So I think that's what we have for now on the dollar pairs. So I don't know if you have any question, can you